Hi everyone, Bernadette here. I'm going to be doing some coasters for you. I've been practicing the bloom pour technique and been trying out so many products for almost a year now. You can imagine how much rands, South African rands, I've been spending just trying to figure out what products that we have available in our country will work for the bloom technique. I must have purchased about 25 or so cans of house paint and nothing seemed to work until now. So I'm going to share what I'm using, and I'm also going to do a set of coasters for you to show you my technique, or to show you my process rather. All right, let's get started. I'll put the coasters right there. First, you need a pillow paint to lay down, and the pillow acts as your base color. For that, you need a house paint. I'm using Durham Wall Sheen house paint. This is a regular paint. You take it off the shelf. I've added some water just to thin it down. So straight off the shelf, add a little bit of water to thin it down, and that's your pillow. Now you need a pouring medium to mix with your colors. Your regular acrylic colors, you can add regular acrylic, and you mix up a pouring medium. You mix the two together, and that's your colors for your bloom. But how do you mix the pouring medium? So for that, you need an untinted clear base paint. It's the paint that they stock at the hardware before they add the color. It's called an untinted clear base. Now you need to buy that at your hardware. And with that base, you need to add polyurethane. So this is the only polyurethane that I could find, and it seems to be working for me. So I take the base paint, the clear untinted base that you get at your hardware, and I mix 2 parts of that base with 1 part of this polyurethane. That then becomes the pouring medium that you add to your paint to get your different colors. Now, I'm also going to be using a cell activator. I do mix on the cell activator using Amsterdam paints and Australian Floetrol. If you want to get your hands on some of the cell activator, if you live in South Africa and you want to get your hands on the cell activator, you can send me an email. I'm going to be putting down my email address here. Take it down and send me an email, and in the subject line, just tell me that you're looking for the Bloom Cell Activator, and I will communicate with you via email. So let's get to pouring. So there it is, everybody. Thank you for being here and for watching. That's my bloom technique using South African available products. I hope that you have success with your blooms too. Take care, everyone. Stay well. Bye for now.